Auto.
Yeah, alright. I'm gonna drive straight out. Straight out.
Shoot the one you have in.
Yeah. Alright, we kind of semi-cooked in auto.
Aww. Could have been more.
Don't worry, guys. We could have done better, definitely, but like, we're beating them. Oh my god, you got 2 traps!
Yeah, with an auto, somehow.
In auto, you got the 2 traps. That's actually crazy.
I got all three.
Oh my god, we're up. Like, we're up by a good 15 points. We just can't mess it up from here. My bad.
Oh my god, how smooth. Push him in. Never mind.
Okay, I left one out by accident.
Hold on. Oh, I'm dumb. Oh.
Yeah, okay. Got it. They got all 3 traps, so we're tied right now. It's close to. Yeah.
Got a tech on.
Nice, I saw that.
Wait, going in. Yeah, nice.
There's no way y'all did that.
There's no way.
That's hilarious.
So laggy, dude. No, problem. No.
My bad.
Watch out for Evan. He's touching the podium.
Is he just chilling on podium?
Yeah, he wants us to drive into him.
My bad. Oh, Evan's just tipping me now. Okay, he's trying to. Evan's just pushing me into our.
Get out. You gotta.
Yeah. I bet they were complaining about how we did that, so then they were like, okay, we'll do it back. How much would I bet they were getting pressed over that?
Yeah, they are.
I took theirs. I'm gonna do one more. I'm doing one more cycle. Hold on.
Yeah. Just have time for harmonizing.
Yeah.
Okay, Eris, come here. And don't like run into the chain, like just like go at it slowly. Alright, go, like climb.
Good. Stay.
That counts.
Come on. Yes!
Oh.
Yes!
Good round.